Yeah, so let's get to it. Round 2. Okay, in this video, I'm just going to add to the Rugged Ridge cell phone GoPro mount that I kind of already did. I already did a video on that. It was a pretty easy one. This one is also just adding to that. I didn't like the phone adapter that was provided with Rugged Ridge, and I didn't like the way the GoPro mounted. It was more like a dash cam almost. So if you wanted to vlog with it or just move it around to get like maybe a wider shot or just something a bit different while you're wheeling, it just didn't provide the access the way that I liked. Now, I mean, 67 Designs is awesome. You know, I love their stuff. I just can't afford their stuff. Their stuff is very expensive, and it's very good quality, so I mean, I know why it's expensive, but unfortunately, I could not afford that. So for all you guys out there, too, that are like me, that can't afford, you know, $300 for a cell phone holder, this is an easier way, and I hope it works out. So what I've done is I've purchased the Rugged Ridge, like I said, and I've already mounted that in my JK. This stuff here is all from RAM mounts. So what I've done is I've got a RAM mount here that actually allows you to run the thread. I'll open it up here in a second, but it allows you to run the thread that's already exists in the Rugged Ridge mount. So that can go on there, followed by the arm here that can then go on to the 1-inch mount. So that's pretty cool. And then I've got a GoPro mount as well with a 1-inch ball. So that can fit onto here, right, which then allows you to run your GoPro mount. And then there's also a cell phone adapter that you can do from RAM mounts as well. But I might do a DIY version of that with a magnetic one. So I'm going to hold off on that cell phone mount until I can figure out if I can get away with what I'm thinking or not. So let's just open these up a bit here for everyone to see. So there you go. There's that threaded style I'm saying for tripods and all that kind of stuff. And hopefully if I've done my homework correctly, this should fit the Rugged Ridge mount, the little screw that already exists in there, allowing me to run off of this thing, which would be pretty cool. So and here is the mount again, a little bit closer view of it. Okay, all right. And then the GoPro mount. Right here, and this just came again, all bought from Amazon, but all RAM mount supports it all. There we go. All right, now let's see if it works and put it in the Jeep. Okay, so let's try this out here. Let's try the ball on first. Let's see if this fits on here. Well, my first part of my plan is working. Pretty tight. I can use a wrench on the bottom, but it's moving the whole unit, so it looks like it's pretty good. Alright, let's try this guy. Loosen this off. Okay, that's like this. Put this mount in as well. Get this mount in too. There we go. Loosen that off a bit more. There we go. Wow, that's pretty good, but I noticed that's not quite tight on the bottom there. So I'll have to probably use a little wrench on that. So far, so good. It's not bad at all. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's check it out some more. Let me add some stuff to it and see what we can do. Alright. So hopefully you can see me, you can hear me. my experiment was a great success using RAM mounts and this Rugged Ridge cell phone GoPro mount adapter. I've done some other stuff too with the GoPro that I think I've already talked about in another vlog or something, but this hopefully is pretty sturdy. Like, this is me moving the thing around a bit. You might get a little bit. It's pretty tight. It's in there pretty good. I'm sure I can make it tighter too, but for this video I just wanted to show the mount there. So what I'll do is I will then kind of videoing me, my GoPro, which is videoing me, which is kind of weird, but nonetheless, hopefully we'll get a good understanding of how it works. Hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully anybody else who's thinking of a budget kind of friendly way to hook up their GoPro or cell phone, which I'll do later on. I'll do another video with the cell phone mount, but mainly for the GoPro, that people can see maybe a really easy way to do it like this, affordable. Again, it's pretty sturdy, much sturdier than the thing that actually came with the adapter, which I have. I'll take a picture of that too and show you the one that actually came with it. But this seems to work a lot better. It's more forward now. Like, the camera's more forward, as you can see. Then when I turn around, I can put it on different angles as well. So if I'm wheeling, you'll be able to see from that as well. So I'll probably add some video of that as well, so you guys can see that. Alright, let's test this mount out. Let's see if this mount works any better than the Rugged Ridge one that came stock with it. Going over some speed bumps here, just grabbing some stuff here. Local shopping center. Alright, so I replaced the OEM mount that came with the Rugged Ridge cell phone and GoPro mount system with a RAM. This is what you're seeing right now, because I didn't like the functionality of the Rugged Ridge one. It was an alright product, mind you, but it just didn't do what I wanted it to do. I couldn't move it around. I couldn't have the actual camera pointing in different ways, different aspects for if you want to shoot some wheeling videos or a vlog like we are right now. It just was pretty far away. And with GoPros, you can't really, zoom in unless you use your editing software afterwards, and sometimes that can make it pixelated or maybe just not quite as nice as just original footage. So I thought I'd try this now and see if this works any better. Let's hope it does, because I bought all the stuff and I want it to be cool. Anyway, so here we are. I won't know until I check the video footage, but I do hope this works out good, because it was pretty easy to do and pretty inexpensive, pretty cost effective. I got the RAM stuff all from Amazon, all the RAM mount stuff, just basically the 3 parts. So hopefully that works out really well. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section, and I will answer them as quickly as I can for you. Again, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Have a great day.